Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you this TODI 360 degrees microphone arm. I would say it's a very special kind of microphone arm. I have already one which you can see here. It works somehow, you can see, can move it away from me and then turn it towards me when I'm using it. And it has even some built-in light which I can activate. That's really nice. And you think that's the perfect microphone arm? No, it's definitely not. First thing is that the light is a very high distraction. Whenever I want to show something on the screen, need to focus really on the screen, then I'm always trying to look at the microphone arm. And the second problem with this construction is that it's not very flexible. This is almost like a standard which we have here with these springs. But when it comes to flexibility, it has huge disadvantages. I think that's the maximum where I can put it. And if I want to make it straight, which I need here so close at the wall, then you can see what happens. I have it too close here, can't use it, I have to push it every time back, and then it's hitting the wall. So especially in my situation, this really doesn't work properly. It's really only working as a compromise. So I've been looking for something better than that, and I think I have found it. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what we get, how to assemble, and how we can replace my old microphone arm. And so let's open the package, see what we get. We get even tool to assemble, get some instructions manual. Looks like the model is MS02, that's the thing. Comes nicely protected. It comes already fully assembled. And watch how beautiful and stylish this is. It's definitely super flexible and has a very low profile. You can see how much you can bend these parts. Also here, can make it perfectly straight and then perfectly fold it again. Has also a gap here for cable management. And it comes already with two sizes of mounts. So the original size here is 5/8 of an inch. If you need a smaller one, you can just remove that. And then we have a 3/8 of an inch size. And it comes also with this large and very solid mounting bracket. Yeah, really good quality. You can see and feel that already. Massive bracket, massive screw. Also awesome is that it's not very wide. Some other microphone arms can be very difficult to install in a tight location. That looks much better here. We even have the option to mount it on a wall with these two openings. So let's go back here and remove the old stuff. What we see here, I have to deal with these Velcro straps. Also something which I don't really like. It's difficult to use. These things get dirty, dusty over time and don't look really nice. And so let's remove the old one. You can see also the mount here, not in any kind comparable to the quality of the TODI microphone arm. Maybe a couple of small things before I install it here. You can see the base is freely 360 degrees rotatable. Also the screw here for the microphone, I think almost 360 degrees. And so I add it here on the side. And what I can already see that I can put it much further to the outside. So I'm not hitting it with my arm when I move around. That's already a huge advantage. Yeah, I realized I can even go much closer to the edge, pretty much to the very end, super close to the wall. That gives me a lot of extra space here, and I can still move it freely. Put it like that, turn it around 180 degrees. And so I'm adding the microphone here. It's a 3/8 of an inch, smaller size, so remove that. Add the microphone. What's important to know is that this arm supports a maximum weight of 3 pounds. So I've measured the weight of this microphone. It's only 0.3 pounds and not 3 pounds. So good microphones don't have to be really heavy. And so it's already here. You can see I can bend it here, or I can bend it now up and down on the arm itself. Move it left or right. Here in the front it's not 360 degrees rotatable, but I would say about 300 degrees. My microphone was upside down, so I have removed the screw here and put it reverse, and now I have it like that. Absolutely perfect. And now you can see how nicely I can move this around. This is super flexible as it ever gets, especially so close to a wall. And now as a final step, of course, time to add the USB cable. So I start here. You can see we can also slide these cable holders up and down. So I can start here on top, just push it here inside. Then using the next one here. Here we have 2 of them. So I can use this one here first, next one, and then number 3. Of course, the amount of hold is depending on the diameter of your USB cable. So if you're using a very thin cable, it might have not enough hold. Maybe then use rather a braided cable so you have maximum hold. Yeah, I've switched now to a braided cable and you can see the difference holding up much nicer here with the cable. What's cool here is that we really have this gap here. So when I close it, the cable has enough space to even go through the whole arm. So it's not squashed or so or looks silly. Absolutely not. This is as good as it gets. And so I can have it either totally folded close to the wall or in my perfect distance, and when I don't need it anymore, I just put it to the side, pretty much not using any space, and I can move around here, frees up my desktop space a lot. I've never seen such a flexible microphone arm. And if the arm is too hard or too soft, you can use the Allen wrench here to tighten or untighten the joints here a little bit. I would say it's absolutely awesome. Doesn't get any better than that. So it's a full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, you can find the link where you can buy it on Amazon in the description of the video. So you can check it out, order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this microphone stand, then just let us know. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.